Hello everyone!
Today I'm with my mom and my brother.
And today we're all going to have a Rubik's Cube race. So
yes,
Aisha is going to solve the first layer and me and my mom are going to solve the whole cube.
yeah.
Shall we get started, guys?
Yeah, because Aisha only knows the first layer yet. So she's going to do the first layer. And me and Abu-Bakar are going to do the whole cube. And let's see who does it first. Yeah? It's going to be fun, isn't it?
So everybody,
So we're going to shuffle for each other.
so swap cubes
Yeah. Is it yours?
and then,
Okay. Okay. Let's start.
okay, ready? Shuffle.
Oh, I'm not good at shuffling. No,
We're not
sure.
shuffling.
This is so neat.
Is it? Abu-Bakar likes it like that.
Yeah, that's
I like
mine
it.
probably.
That's yours, I think.
Okay. Try
Yeah.
to make it tougher, Abu-Bakar.
It's a very hard one, Aisha. So here you go.
There you go.
For mommy.
So here it is.
Okay,
Okay.
so guys, are you ready? You have 5 seconds to look at your cube. Ready?
Okay.
So 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go!
Oh dear. I'm too slow. I'm stuck on my first leg.
So guys, if you didn't know, my mum is actually the first one who learned how to solve the Rubik's Cube and she taught me. But I'm actually probably faster than her now.
Oh no. I messed it up.
It depends on who wins this.
Okay, we'll see.
Done.
Oh, I was the winner.
Oh
Wow. But we'll keep doing.
no. Yeah.
Let's see next.
So now it's between me and mommy. So
I'm
I'm
stuck on
almost done.
second layer.
oh
Oh
no.
my god. I'm so slow.
Whoever scrambled this is a good scrambler.
Mummy scrambled that.
Did she? You're quick, aren't you, Aisha? So Aisha's been practicing her first layer. She's gotten pretty good at it now. So we're gonna maybe teach her the second layer now.
Oh, I messed up now.
Oh no, I solved it.
Oh no. I'm still
was
on
a
the
very good race.
second layer. But I'll try to still solve it and
Yeah.
we'll see.
That's what. In the meantime, I'll try and solve this. So now that unfortunately Mummy has lost, and me and Aisha were the first two.
Yeah.
So now the next round will be me versus Aisha, and whoever wins that will be the grand
I'm
Rubik's Cube
completely
solver.
out of practice. Yeah, but
Practice makes perfect.
I know. I'm doing it. I still remember my steps though. Yes, done
Yeah,
it.
good job.
Last but not least.
Definitely not these.
Yeah.
I'm just carrying this on for Aisha.
Last.
This one is a bit tricky one because we
Yeah.
know very smooth.
But this is actually a really good cube because this is the first ever cube that me and my mum solved.
Yeah.
So it's a pretty special cube.
Yes.
Finally. Okay. So we're done now. Now it's me versus Aisha. Shall we see? So you choose your cube. Which one do you want?
Which cube do
You want this one again, or do you want the first one? Yeah.
Yeah. Shall I shuffle it for you? Oh, you can shuffle for each other.
Yeah. Let's shuffle for each other.
Yeah.
Okay. Ready?
Okay. So I'll start the countdown now. Okay.
Okay.
Are you guys ready?
Yep.
Okay, you can take a look at your cubes now. Let me know when you're ready.
Ready.
Ready?
Ready?
Yes,
3, 2, 1, start!
You're fast.
Thank you.
I'm still on my petals.
Aisha, I have officially beat you to the first layer. What part are you up to now?
This part.
Which part?
The white cross.
Keep doing, keep doing.
Mm.
Don't get distracted. Oh, it's forward.
And I'm officially the master!
Wow!
Ooh, that was a tight one.
Abu-Bakar won.
Wait for her to solve the first layer.
Yeah.
And
Yes.
congratulations,
Well,
good game.
Second and first.
Yeah.
So was that fun? Do you like that?
Yeah, that was really fun. Thank you.
So thank you for watching us have this race. Please consider subscribing and liking the video, and we'll see you next time. Goodbye.
Bye-bye.